Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how you can download Geometry Dash on your computer for free. First, open your web browser, search for Bluestack on your search box, and then go for the first result. Download Bluestack, alright? So once you download Bluestacks, it will look like this. Just double click yes. You need to install Bluestack. So I have already installed Bluestacks. You just have to press next, and last you need to install Bluestack. All right, you get it? So after that, Bluestacks will look like this. Open Bluestack, and after opening Bluestack, you have to log in to your Gmail account. If you don't have one, just create one, and from the search here, type Geometry Dash Lite. All right, search for the light version, install geometry. Okay, now tap this and this will redirect to another application. Just wait for it, it will do its job. All right, as you can see now, it's showing install. Just press install, and then this will be installed. Now we can play Geometry Dash. Just tap the play and continue. There we go. Yeah, hope this video helpful. Thanks for watching.